How to block someone on Twitch. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on Twitch. Now the first step is to log into your Twitch account. Then you would head over to the channel where the user you want to block is active. Okay, so once you're on the channel, click on the channel, right, and open up the live stream wherever. So after opening up the live stream, locate the user. All right, just find your way to locate the user. Once you've located the user, click on the user's username in order to bring up details about the user. So once you can see details about the user, you see options like view info, follow, give a subscription, message, whisper, block. So just click on block, and then you'll be asked why you want to block this person. Select the reason and then click on confirm, and then the person will be blocked automatically from your Twitch account. And once the person blocks you, he or she cannot send you whispers, he or she cannot communicate with you or do any other thing with you. So this is how it is. This is how you can block someone on Twitch. So go ahead and try this out. Thanks for watching.